Morning everybody, James Blacklaw's JB Commercial Finance here. It is Monday the 6th of November. I'm going to do a quick follow-up video on one of our favourite topics, the government loan schemes, specifically the bounce back loan scheme. As you can probably see on this channel or any other platform, I've done videos on this for around about 3.5 years since it was launched. Initially a lot of trepidation about the scheme and how it would work, bearing in mind my personal experience and generally the banking sector's experience with regard to government-backed loan schemes. And it seems that the battle that's been going on a year or so about this is starting to kind of rear its ugly head a little bit more. It's been reported over the weekend that the current figure that banks are facing for more than guarantees that have been cancelled by the government is around about £1 billion. Now this is money that's been claimed on by the banks for defaulting loans and has been refused. So it's been cancelled. It's a big worry. There's over 1 million loans are still outstanding. Around about 30 odd £billion still outstanding, which is fair enough because it wasn't due to be repaid. But the current figures show that 2 billion is in arrears as of June this year. Another £500 million is defaulted and we yet to be the subject of claims, plus this £1 billion. And there's another £1 billion worth of loans awaiting a government decision on a guarantee, which presumably is not going to be a positive one. So that in itself is around about, £5 billion? And with another 20, 30 billion, whatever it is, outstanding, I suspect this figure is probably going to hit around about £10 billion worth of defaults. So let's wait and see. They were pretty much the figures I thought would happen at the time. I thought it might be a little bit higher, to be honest. So pleasantly surprised if it is 10 billion. The key question is going to be who is actually going to make these payments in the end. Is it going to be the government who provide these guarantees, or is it going to be the banks? Is it going to fall back on them? And we're not sure. Either way, there's going to be an impact. Either way, there's going to be blowback. But what frustrates me is the fact that anyone who works in this industry, and anyone who's seen government schemes over the last 10, 20 years, knew that the government would try and get out of paying these as much as possible. And unfortunately, the banks yet again have fallen for it. It's very disappointing to see. So that's just a brief update on this. I'll try and put a link to one of the websites running this in the comments below. But I appreciate any feedback on it and any thoughts about the banks, about the government, and about bounce back loans, CBILS loans in general. Have a great day, everybody. I'll speak to you all soon.